The WinnyCam really won't start up, or you'll get an error message. You have to have, if you don't have your SD card, you need some storage memory in there. Make sure the copper connectors are facing up, not down. And the important thing here is don't force the SD card. If you put it with the leads down, it actually won't go in. But if you're an aggressive kind of person, you might force it in there and you'll end up breaking your SD card and probably the driver. It should go very easily into the side, into the SD card reader. Install it until you hear it click.